perfection to the max. Like, ooh, I have one thing to say. Glow, baby, glow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you better be kidding me. Like, it melts on the skin easily. What? Oh my gosh, this one is the perfect highlighter. It's from Focalure and I am obsessed with this. Like see that? Oh my gosh. Like, I can play with this all day. Like, girl, stop me. Perfection to the max. Like, ooh, wow. Girl. Highlight that nose para tumangos-tangos. Oh my gosh. Apaka-beautiful. I love this color as well. I can't say anything bad about this highlighter. It's so good. Wow. You can also put this white eyes. Girl, I am literally glowing. Like, the glow is so good. It's so giving. Pang everyday ganap, yung talagang ganyan lang. With this one is GD01. And if you want a little bit of festivity, yung tipong kitang-kita kahit malayo. One is WT01. Nandyan sa yellow basket. Yun lang mga girls na share ko lang. Bye!